What is the most you've made per hour welding?
$40.
I think it was like $54 an hour.
29 an hour, and then there was 150 per diem per day.
38.
60 an hour.
There again, I'm old. 28 bucks an hour.
What's the least you've made an hour?
$8.50 an hour.
That's gonna be gold right there. People are gonna be like, what?
18. 21. 9.
That's welding.
Oh, well, it's definitely not, but we can just leave it at that.
Okay.
$15 an hour.
That's perfect. I started out about 22 an hour. Within 6 months, I got a promotion to 25.
I think at 22 an hour.